Welcome back to Stuff About tutorial. Today we are talking about how to edit profile on Roblox. Why would you want to know how to edit profile on Roblox? Well, maybe it is your first time using Roblox and not sure how to edit profile on Roblox. So today I am going to show you how to edit profile on Roblox. Check video description and I will try to leave the written instructions. Editing profile on Roblox is quite simple and the process is easy to do. First of all, open Roblox. Now you are seeing different buttons. Click on display name at the top right side. Now click on edit profile. From here you can edit your profile completely. There you go. If you wanted to know how to edit profile on Roblox, that is the easiest way I know how. If you know another way, to leave a comment below. Be sure to subscribe for more videos.